What's up, everyone? This is going to be my quick review of the Closetmaid thigh table. Going to put it together, do a quick video of it. If you could, please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get up to that 1,000 subscriber limit so I can get monetization back. I do a lot of reviews on products that I get from the Home Depot Seeds program, this is one of them. So let me pull it out and start putting it together, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I got everything unpacked. It's 4 pieces, the 2 legs and the 2 shelves, and then it comes with the hardware right there. It looks like it's going to be fairly simple, so I'm going to get the hardware opened up, get it set up, and start putting it together just so you can get a general idea of how it goes. Alright, so I started putting this together. These little inserts right here, they go into these holes. And the only thing you need to do is make sure that the opening in that nut faces that hole there, so that when you put the screws in, it'll thread into that. So not a big deal. I have this one already done. Now I'm going to move on to this panel, and then we'll start putting it together. Okay, got one leg set in here. Not a big deal. One thing I did notice on the inserts that, I don't know if you can see, focus. There's a slot in there. So that say you push it in and you need to adjust it if it's not straight, you can stick a screwdriver in and turn it. On the other one, I put them in the opposite way with the slot down. I didn't realize it. I thought so. I could probably pop them out if I need to, but they should be in straight. But once you get them in there, you just put the bolt through, tighten it down with the provided Allen key. Not a big deal at all. So zoom out a little bit. That's where I'm at right now. I'm going to finish that up. Alright, there you have it all put together. It was really simple. I noticed a couple scratches on the shelves. I think they're just particle board with some kind of cheap veneer. They're pretty light and cheap. Like, it's definitely not solid wood. It's whatever it is. It's cheap. I mean, I wasn't expecting this thing to be a high-end piece. You could put light stuff on it. I wouldn't put anything heavy on it. And it has little feet on the bottom, so it won't scratch the floor. I thought it's okay for a, you know, it looks like the picture. Put some light stuff on it. I might stick in one of our closets to organize some shoes or something. But overall, it was a nice little table. I got to look up what the cost is so I can put that in my Seeds review, whether or not it's worth the money or not. If it's $30 or less, I'd say it's worth it. If it's more than $30, I don't know. Just because of the material. There's my second reviewer. He's got to go check everything out. Anyway, hope you like this. If you're looking at getting this product, if you could, please subscribe to my channel, because I do need the reviewers, or I do need the subscribers to get my count up. And have a good day. Thanks.